A combination of strong maestral winds and a lack of rain have fueled the fires, which broke out in the forest of La Londe-les-Morts, some 30 kilometers off the city of Toulon. Nearly 2,000 acres have been burned by Wednesday, despite more than 500 firefighters being deployed. Around 3,000 campers were among the evacuated from La Londe and nearby Baume-les-Mimosas and La Lavandou. Further east, reinforcements were sent in to battle a blaze in Artigues that has burned up to 4,000 acres of forested land, while another fire was contained in La Croix-Valmet, which has left 2 villas burned, 1 firefighter wounded, and about 1,000 acres burned.